Hi everyone, what is up? Hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. Today's video, as you guys have seen in the title, we're going to be talking about the Morphe in collaboration with Jeffree Star, and I only have the palette, and the original price of this one actually is $35, and if you go to the Ulta website right now, it is on sale for $21, and if you have a $3.50% 50 coupon, then it goes down to like $17.50, which is, in my opinion, such an amazing deal. Now, I was not able to buy this palette when it got released, but I've always eyed it. Like, I have eyed it because, number one, the packaging is pink. I know what you're gonna say. Just because the pink, it's like, just because the packaging is pink, you're gonna buy it. Yeah, like, I'm that bitch. Like, I'm that girl. Like, anything pink. You know this duck right over here? I forced my cousin to give that to me, okay? Like, I literally, like, every time I visit her in San Diego, I'd be like, do you still like that duck? Do you still like that duck? Until she just literally gave up and she just gave it to me. So finally, Christmas came and my brother gave this to me. I actually didn't expect this. I was jokingly just telling him like, oh, I want this palette, you know. I just mentioned it once and like never again. And then I opened it and I was like, oh my gosh, yes, I was so happy. Now you're probably thinking like, why are you happy with one palette? You have like a lot of palettes. It's the thought that counts, like, you know. It's nice. It's nice to receive a gift. This is what the box packaging looks like, you guys. I'm gonna read what it says in the back. I just really love the packaging. Like, pink, anything mixed with metallic, to me is just so divine. So let me just read what it says here. At the back, he also has this, you know, very clear image of him. The printing company, whoever they're working with, did a really good job because this doesn't look cheap at all. So it says here, hi, how are ya? We all know I live for making a bold statement, especially with my makeup. The world needs color and I'm serving it up by the pound. I'm so excited to once again create magic with Morphe and bring this beyond stunning palette of velvety, vivid shades to life and into your hands. All Jeffree Star approved and created all for you. One touch and you will be hooked. So dive in and explore your creativity. Love plus lipstick. Hashtag, and he has a signature, hashtag Morphe Jeffree Star. Now, whether you like Jeffree Star or not, you must admit, like, when it comes to products, he is very, very creative. That's what I notice about him because, you know, we already have all the colors. If you are a makeup collector, you already have the colors, okay? Like, you already have most of the colors that you could ever imagine. But why do we buy a product? Because the layout, the packaging, the marketing, the presentation, you know, it'd be like that. And of course, if you support the person. And then this is what the actual packaging looks like. Pretty much looks like, you know, the box itself. It is actually protected by this bubble wrap right over here. And it also has a plastic protector when you open it. And then it also comes along with a nice mirror, and these are all your shades. They are so freaking pretty. There we go. So beautiful. It is so nice. I can't, like, when I look at this, like, even if the colors are not trending anymore, like, you know how eyeshadow palettes are. There's like a season for everything. Green, blue, you know, this leaf themed or whatever. It comes and it goes, but every time I look at this palette, it's like you can do a lot of things because you have browns, you have oranges, you have the pinks and the purples and the silver and the gold. Pretty much, you know what? You can bring this on a trip, pretty much. There are a lot of shades here, you guys. What I'm going to do is that I'm just going to show you guys some swatches in the back of my hand without a base. And then after that, I'm going to show you guys this look right over here and give you guys my overall thoughts, okay? So these are all your shades, guys. So basically, you will be getting 30 shades in the palette. So this is Welcome. It is more of like a metallic pearlescent shade. And then back is a pink matte shade. 2 is a beautiful, it's more of like a very light Barbie pink shade. It's metallic as well. And then My is a light pink shade, which is also matte. And then Channel is, it's more of like a matte burnt shade. It's not like super, you know, it's not like super orangey shade. It's more of like a brown orange pretty much. And then Wand Noise is a metallic orange. And then moving on, if I'm far, I do apologize. Okay, hope you guys have a better view. And then next we have Lynn. It's a matte cream shade, and then 1985. Also a matte shade, more of like fleshy tone color. And then we have Mogul, which as you can see, it's a pretty strong color. And then you have Self-Made, beautiful. It's more of like, almost like a neon pink. And then we have Dog Mom. It's more of like almost pastel-y orange metallic color. And then we have Honest Truth, very light orange shade, almost like flesh. And then we have Designer Label. It is a beautiful, you know, light gold color. And then we have Mr. Diva, similar to almost like these two right over here. Almost looks the same. And then we have Boss Angeles. It's a more of like a richer burnt orange. And then we have Pink Fleet. It's a beautiful light purple shade. And as you guys can see, I didn't really, you know, touch this or anything. There is no base in the back of my hand, and we only swatched them once. As you guys can see, some of them are crumpling. I noticed that the formula of the metallic ones is like, but they do show really nicely. So far, I don't really have any complaints. And moving on to the last few colors in the shade, we have Calabasas. And then we have Don't Know Her. In my opinion, Don't Know Her is like the weakest out of everybody. As you guys can see, it's almost like it's like barely showing. But it's one of those eyeshadows that for some reason it kind of looks like it's super hard pressed. And then we have Rolls With It. It's a beautiful gold color. And then we have the only pressed glitter in this palette, which is Millions. Now this glitter, in my opinion, it is not like the finest glitter. Okay, it's a little chunky. It's not like super fine glitter. That's all I'm gonna say. And then, however, it's pretty though. And you don't need a glitter primer on this one. It just sticks on itself. And we have Girl, beautiful bronze metallic shade. We have What's the Tea. I like this shade very, very much because it's like, I can't explain it. It's like brown, and then I feel like there's a little bit of green into it, but it's more of like very, very chocolatey, and I like that about that. And then we have Vroom Vroom. It's a gray color. The color is not really that impressive, but as you can see, it shows. And then you have Custom Rims, beautiful metallic color. We have Glam Rapids. I really love this green. How it looks is just nice. And then we have Wake and Bake, matte color. It's like green. And then we have Nate. It's also a green, more of like a grass colored green. And then we have Drive Through, which to me this green is like really, really nice. I don't know, like it's such a rich metallic green in my opinion. And then we have Hi Dude, beautiful deep brown shade. And then Fast Lane, which is a matte black shade. So these are all your shades. I just want to give you guys another moment so you guys could check them out for yourself. They are nice. They're showing up really, really good. And this is something that you can't deny. It's really good. Wow. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on. We're going to go ahead and try this on our eyes. I'm going to go ahead and apply 1985 first all over my eye area. I just wanted to set my whole entire eyelid just so because I wanted to create a smooth canvas. And this is when I realized that the color really does show up on my eye. I only have a full coverage foundation and I don't have any primer, and you can clearly see the color. So I went ahead and mixed a 1985 with the shade Lynn. So Lynn is more of like my skin tone. So even the, cream shades here, they do appear, and it's true to its color. Next, I wanted to warm up my crease with the shade What's the Tea.
And I have swatched this earlier, and it's definitely one of the shades that I truly adore. Just so because the color is just so rich. And I wanted to use Drive Through, and that is only because it's been a while since I have used green in my eyes. And I thought, like, you know what? Why not, right? Actually, the more I look at this shade, it's more of like gold and green at the same time. And I'm really interested with the color. So I just went ahead and grabbed a generous amount, and so far so good. I was actually expecting a horrendous, fallout, but that didn't happen. That's why I love it. And it applies really nicely even if I don't use my finger. So I'm going to use the leftover for under my eyes, and then after that, I'm going to be putting on a generous amount of mascara to hide my original lashes. So today, I'm not going to create a winged eyeliner. We're going to go ahead and take a break from that. And the reason why I did my face first after applying mascara is so that the powders would stick into my natural lashes so that I can put some mascara, and it adds to the length. Now I'm putting on some natural looking lashes because I want to still see the eyeshadow that we just used for today. And then to just spice things up a little bit, I would like to use Millions. This is the pressed glitter. Just be careful on this one, you guys, because again, it is a chunky glitter. Also, I'd like to mention that I also applied a generous amount of mascara on my lower lashes to create that smoky effect. And this is the finished makeup look, you guys.
Hi everyone, I am back. So obviously I truly did enjoy this palette. Number one, the colors, they are effective. If there are like two shades here that are not really showing up very well in the swatches, they are buildable and they are blendable and they are affordable. Even for like its original price for $35 for this, I would agree. Like I would really agree. I'm not like a super fan of like Jeffree Star or anything, but I do admire his like work ethic. Drama aside, for the palette alone, I really do think that they did try to maintain, or even amped up the quality. And it's a good thing that there is, a choice, an affordable choice coming from him, because as we all know, not everybody can afford like, an expensive makeup. And this is such a good way to express his love to his followers and fans, and I really love the palette, okay? I really do, and I think it's not bad at all, especially right now that it is $21. It's such a giveaway. So if you guys are interested with the color story of this palette, I think you guys should try it because I'm pretty sure you guys will love it. So there's no difficulty when it comes to blending. I finished like fast, like I'm telling you. I always say that in my videos, especially when I'm reviewing an eyeshadow palette, because when I finish fast, that's how I know, like, damn, this is a good palette because it's pigmented enough, it's easy to, it's easy to use, and that's what I would always go for. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are still not part of the Sassy family, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Let me know what is your favorite product from Jeffree Star Cosmetics or Morphe. Let me know in the comment box down below, and if you end up liking this video, leave this a like because it definitely helps out my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!